Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be restoring my E46 trim, and I'm going to be using solution finish for most of the car, which is this little black bottle. But I do have a little section right here that, as you can tell, comparison is pretty bad. I'm gonna try to sand it down a bit, but this is really hard to remove. So I'm pretty much gonna try to mask everything, and then I will be using trim and bumper paints. So yeah, I mean, hopefully it works. Hopefully it looks pretty well. So I think I'm gonna start off with this one. So I think it'll be more difficult, so I just want to get that out of the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and tape everything up. Okay, so I finished sanding it down and it's pretty smooth to the touch. And now I'm gonna just spray paint the rest of it. Okay, well, this didn't turn out as I expected, but if you can tell here, this didn't come out right. It's apparently different material or underneath, so as you can tell, it's shinier in this little section than the rest of the area. So I guess technically I could have sanded the whole thing down, but then it would be different, like a different finish than the whole car. So what I'm thinking of doing is going to the junkyard and just trying to, I guess, remove one. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but that's what I'm planning on doing. And with that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish doing the rest of the car with the solution finish. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to start applying the solution to the trims. I already wiped it down with some alcohol, and I'm using a microfiber towel, and I'm going to be working in small sections because you have to leave it for about a minute or two, and then you're going to have to wipe it down. So work in small sections, I guess, and use some gloves because that's what the video said. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the trims, and I think it looks 1,000 times better. Definitely took a couple years off my car. The only issue obviously was this little section, which I'm going to try and get a new one. But aside from that, the colors are pretty similar. Just obviously when you hit a certain angle, you can see that little section. The only thing I didn't paint or coat was this, I forgot what it's called. I think a cowl. I'm not sure. But it's cracked, so I'm getting a new one. But I'm pretty happy with the outcome. I'm going to go ahead and link the solution down below if you guys are interested in purchasing. No, I'm not sponsored. I wish. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Short video, but like I said, I just want to go ahead and start inputting, or I guess recording what I'm doing with my car. So aside from that, thank you guys for watching. Bye.